Sabrina, and I can do anything. Welcome back to another 10X Kids. Oh, I almost forgot. Her name is
Scarlett, and we have a special guest, my father, which is oddly light.
Very light, isn't he? He got shrunk when he was going to visit the giant.
Yes.
So now he's tiny.
Yes. He wanted to be a bird, but he wanted to shrink down to the size of a bird, but the bird wings didn't really get up that well. So let's talk about things.
Today's topic is going to be, thank you, Tori.
I want to give a shout out to you.
We want to give you a shout out to Tori, whatever his last name is, who gave us the question of what does your father teach us? What's the most good thing that he teaches us? And we are going to answer that today.
Yes, and my
father.
father.
Where is the thing that I can look at? Is it there or is it there? Not sure.
Oh, anyways, what have you learned from your father, kids?
What have you learned from your father, kids?
Well, what I've learned is how to speak in front of 9,000 people at the age of 5 and 6 without getting scared and running off.
What I have learned is I'm actually putting my thing this way right now, but it looks like I'm putting my thing over here.
Yes, and I'm putting it this way, but I'm putting it outright. Bobblehead, stop.
Anyway, my thingy-majig is my daddy, my papa, my father taught me how to this is an important skill that everyone should know, to do your job really well so you get more income and you have a lot of money and then you can take care of your family and then you have a good house and then everything's awesome.
Yay. And the other thing that my father taught me is how to make math fun. What is the thing called again?
Adding, subtracting, and multiplying.
Adding and subtracting and multiplying. I haven't learned how to multiply, but my father, I can't wait because my father said it's the funnest of all.
Well, it is. I'm doing that right now, and it is. Come here, Papa.
Stop bobbling, Bobbly.
Next thing is, what's yours?
I already said mine.
She just said hers.
Second.
Come on.
Your second one.
I already said
my second one is...
Oops.
Oh, what is it?
Oops. Oopsie daisy.
I forgot.
You know what they say, huh? A short pencil is better than a long memory.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, number one.
What was my second one?
First of all, we want to thank you guys because you
This is the real Papa. This is a bobblehead.
That's
Yeah.
good. So
made that up.
first of all, people have really missed the 10X Kids.
We're so sorry. We haven't been at the office for a long time.
And you guys need to bring back 10X Kids. If you guys want to know about 10X Kids, make sure you post in comments. Come back and maybe even what topics. The second thing that you said you learned from me on the way over here was, what was your first thing?
Booking.
My first thing was working
book
really
thing.
hard. Oh, this was it. My papa taught me how to read very well and to not pass words that I don't understand and to look them up.
What are you reading right now?
Harry Potter, I'm on the 8th chapter.
In 3 days.
Yeah.
And what's interesting is she had the third book and she realized that she was reading out a sequence that it was
No, I was at the last book.
Oh, and she's like, Papa, I gotta go start on the first book. What's the other thing you've learned?
I already said it.
No, the second thing.
I already said that.
Oh,
Say
you
the
did them
second
both,
thing
huh?
again.
Oh, wow. So you guys are about ready to wrap up on the show. Is there any other questions? Hold on, let me check the comments right now. Geraldo wants to know, what are some secret things that you do?
Is Geraldo a real person?
Yeah, I'm looking at the comments right now.
Okay, Geraldo is a real person.
Javier.
Javier is a real person.
No, Geraldo,
Some
Javier.
secrets.
Some very secrets that you probably don't know.
Is when on weekends when we go to the spa, like the spa day, we go to the steam, let it get really hot. Well, it's not so hot for him, but it's very hot for me. So we let it get really hot, and then I throw freezing water.
And then he says he's going to get back at us, but
But he never does.
Okay, my turn.
Back up to the
Don't tell anybody, because this is an ancient secret that should not be shared.
That's a good storytelling.
On the bed, some days, I pretend he's a horse and he bucks me off and then rolls me over. That part isn't my favorite, though.
What's the horse's name?
Charlie. Charlie.
Okay. So, any questions you guys have for the audience? Anything you want to do? When do you want to come back?
I want to tell you
It's lunch.
I still owe a few 10X kids to my dad, so...
And it's dinner, so we gotta go.
Thanks for watching. I'm starving.